Mini Bridge offers larger color previews of your content and a very efficient way of placing content. Under the Window menu, I'll choose Mini Bridge. And you may need to click Launch to launch Adobe Bridge if it's not running. It's connected to Adobe Bridge, a standalone application that ships with the Creative Suite. I'll double-click on my desktop and navigate to my Assets folder and the Chapter 6 folder. Inside there is the magazine content for this magazine. I'll scoot Mini Bridge over, and I'm going to start with the cover image, Cover A. All I need to do is drag and drop it over this frame. And in fact, all the frames in this layout under Window, Styles, Object Styles have a fill frame proportionally object style set on them, so the images will fit to the frames as I drag and drop. I'll go to the next page, and I want to place the Cover B image with just a drag and drop. Sometimes you'll need to click on the image. You can get the loaded cursor, and actually on the next spread, if I flip to pages 2 and 3, I'll scroll over a bit. There are 3 images I want to place. So as I scroll down, I'll click once and shift-click to select all 3 images. I'll drag and drop anywhere over on the page, and I'll see the number 3 in my cursor indicating I have 3 images loaded. I'll click once to target each frame. And there we have it. I'll move over to the next spread, and I'll scroll down in Mini Bridge and place the image for page 4, scroll over, and on page 5 I don't have a frame, so I'll simply drag and drop this onto the page, and I can click once to place it at 100%. When I move it to this guide, I just make sure I don't hit the content grabber in the middle that would move the picture inside the frame. On this next spread, there's actually an image and a caption that I need to place. So on page 6, I'll place the image first, and then there's text in Mini Bridge that I can drag and drop, and if I'm not on a container or a frame, I'll see the 3 icons that look like tiny pages. But if I get directly over a container, I'll see almost parentheses around the cursor, and when I let go, the text was placed in there. I'll double-click to get inside and choose Select All, and I'll go to my typography workspace so that I can see paragraph styles and apply my caption right style, and it fits beautifully. On the last page, there are several images to place. There we have it. So I will collapse paragraph styles, and for my final spread, I'll select all the page 7 images. By shift-clicking, I've got the first page 7A down to the last page 7E, and simply drag and drop it onto my layout. There are 5 images. I'll target this frame, and then click once on each corresponding frame. Now with these 4, I didn't apply that object style, so if I shift-click to select all 4, I can hit Fill Frame Proportionally, and all the content will fit perfectly. So that is how you drag and drop from Mini Bridge over to your page. Often I like to dock Mini Bridge at the top of my panels on the right, so with one click I always have it available.